What's up, guys? I'm Nathan. This is Left Way Garage. I think something's wrong with the camera because looking pretty awesome. So sexy, blew my hair right off. The camera's broken. Today we're working on a, I don't know, 04, 06, something like that. Chevy 2500 with the 6.0 Vortec, I guess is what it is. Transmission's out. So I was hauling a trailer to Texas, and it said I'm gonna exit out, and left me stranded on the side of the road. Camera guy Ed came in to save me, and we finally got a reman transmission in. So just hang back, chill, watch us try and change this up. Should be entertaining nonetheless. I'll make sure I do it the left way. Oh, cameraman Ed cleaned the shop for me. It actually looks a lot better. You can actually get around in here again. Alright, so we got her up on the lift now. Solid truckish, other than the holes on this side. It's like someone mud bugging in the driver's side only. But I think that happened out in Pennsylvania. At least it used to be a Pennsylvania truck, so salt and such. But we're gonna get this drive shaft out, front drive shaft out, transfer case, and transmission. So we'll set y'all up and you can watch us hang out and do some stuff. Find a good spot to put you guys. Upside down GoPro. Whole new me to hanging out. Nailed it.
I haven't got that one yet.
I'm just so strong as I get myself. I don't want to make you feel bad.
Shit. I'd like to see you try. Oh yeah.
Look at his shoes.
Hey, don't diss my shoes.
He's wearing Crocs.
They're comfy.
Crocs in the shop. I'm wearing Skechers, so they say the same thing.
He got old man slip on.
I do. Dude, they're so comfy though.
Where'd you put the other one?
On top of the axle.
Okay.
It doesn't matter. I gotta have a pry bar to get that up real quick. Oh, hold on. Let me grab a pan. Just go ahead and hold that.
Yeah, I got you.
Oh, let me get out. Damn, that thing is light.
Light. Where do you want it?
I don't know. Wherever you put spare parts, I guess.
I feel like, man, you can do some burnouts with that thing. Just
Right? I mean, might have to find out later.
too much.
Well, now you change those OT sensors that are bad.
This is stuff yelling at you.
I can see my future. It's so bright.
For real. We can actually see what we're doing.
Well, we do need to get this front drive shaft off. It's the same size as that back one. I hit it with my purse.
That is bad.
You're not supposed to be pink. It's cherry red.
Cherry red.
It was. But when it goes bad, it's always this going bad. So.
I don't see any shavings.
Not only two.
I know it. You never know.
Friction material, but it didn't explode. Just wore out.
Could find something. Just a little bit.
Okay. All was in the transfer case. That's not good. Alright, y'all are back. You died on me, but looks like I was able to revive everybody and bring you back. So, I'm gonna pull this transfer case out. Figure need some witnesses in case I drop it on my head. It's a very real possibility. Oh yeah. Okay. I got this baby part. There's so much lighter than that other one.
It's lighter.
Holy shit. I'm just waiting for him. My side's like almost done. The exhaust pipe wasn't in the bit. Let's see if I figure out how to take those cooler lines off real quick. Camera guy Ed messed up and we didn't record the last segment. But we got the transmission out. It was definitely not hard at all. Not even a little bit. We're basically professionals here. We're go ahead and change the rear main seal. I just wanted to take a look at it, make sure I got the right one, and then try and get that transmission, old one over there, ready to ship back out. And then we're doing rear main seal. We're gonna do a new transmission cooler, and then we're going to place oil and everything, and see if we can get this bad boy up and going again.
And a new exhaust seal.
Yeah, new exhaust. Yeah, we took the exhaust down and the gasket fell out. So get a new one of those. Should be good to go after that though. So stay tuned, and we'll bring you back for hopefully most of the install. We cleaned up the motor really good, put the new rear main seal in it, got the flex plate back in. Let's see, we came over and we don't mind the glare. So put the old transmission in the box, new transmission's over here. We're gonna try and He-Man that up in there. And I thought I'd bring you guys along, because why not, right? Let's try and get a better vantage point up here. Let's see here. All right. Now you guys keep an eye on us to make sure we don't drop this on our face. I like having this jack, but we gotta put new wheels on this thing. Yeah. Right.
Yep. Just holding it for now.
Next ramp. Okay, watch out. What are you hitting those? I had to use the Mega extension. Mega extension. Come back at y'all when this thing's bolted in. Alright, we're back. I got the transmission in, transfer case in, me and Ed got those put in. The drive shaft is in. Everything's pretty much in. It's all buttoned up. Should be ready to fill and fire. I still gotta fill transfer case, transmission, engine, and then we'll give her a shot. I still have to put the new transmission cooler and clean the lines out, and then it should be good to go. So I'll come back when we're ready to fire. All right, welcome back to Left Way Garage. It's been a couple days. We've been working on this Chevy pickup. I got the transmission replaced, new coolers in. Have it on the battery charger now. We did take it for a little bit of a spin yesterday. Ran fine. So today we're gonna get the O2 sensors knocked out of this thing. There's 4 of them. I don't remember which one was bad, so we're just gonna change all 4. And then hopefully that'll keep the check engine lights off. And then I think I have to do an ABS wheel sensor too. I did one of them already, but I don't remember which side it was. So we'll get digging into that here too. All right, having a heck of a time with this O2 sensor up here. It's like in the way of the torsion bars and all the fun stuff. So tried heating it and I tried putting a wrench on it and it just seems like it's gonna slip. So I'm gonna cut the end off of it and use a socket. But I don't think I would have room for that. I only have a wood blade for that. So we're gonna try the wood blade. Do it the left way. Oh no, this might not fit either. Might as well break it now. Yahtzee. Okay, listen for a crack. Hopefully, not myself.
Just my back crack.
That's just me. It's supposed to happen. Oh no. Really ran out of room. There's so much like play in this handle. Jeez.
Like 2 inches of play.
That was a little bit of play, maybe not as much. Round 6, here we go. Oops, still in there. Okay, let's heat it back up. These guns under the table are gonna throw some in there. It's under the welding table. Okay, round 17.
3 hours later.
Alright, so we got that one out. It was right up there. It was a pain. That one's out. I'm not gonna make you guys watch me get the other two. It's just more of the same. So, heat. I cut them off to get the socket on it because I feel like a wrench is gonna slip. And they make tools for it, but I've always just slipped those two and boogered up the bolt. So I'm just gonna go through and get those other two off there and I'll come back to y'all. Alright, that actually wasn't too bad. We got the rest of them put in. The back ones weren't bad at all. They just needed like they were just super easy to take out because they don't get a whole lot of heat. But that one sucks. Get like 1/8 of a turn every time. That one's good. And then these ones I got some here. And there's another one back here, right there. There it is. Passenger side. So this thing's about done. Like I said, we took it around yesterday. Did really good. Cameraman Edge just getting the skid plate put on real quick. So she's pretty much done. Changed all the transfer case fluid, transmission. Changed the whole transmission out and new fluid. Engine oil changed, greased everything up, rotated the tires. So she's ready to go back to work. And I'm ready to move on to the next project. I think, I'm not sure, probably be the Bronco next is what we're bringing in next. it might be. We have a Dodge that needs some front end work, so it might be that too. We'll see. Okay, you guys will know in the next video. So if you like garage content and you want to see more, we are going to get into some really cool off-road builds here shortly. If you guys like this stuff or you want to see more, maybe like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what your projects are. Let me know what you got going on. And I will see you in the next video.